Lane, Dorling, and I'm a first year apprentice. I chose it because not only do I live literally about a mile away, so it's easy to get here, I heard it was one of the best apprenticeship programmes to get onto.
My name's Adam Braun and I'm in the second year of my apprenticeship. I carry out maintenance in the workshops.
I chose this apprenticeship programme because I knew some of the apprentices already from Prospects College. Got to know them and they told me a little bit about it, so I had a little bit of inside knowledge about it. It sounded really good fun, getting good qualifications at the end of it and a lot of good prospects.
My name's Daniel Starkey and I'm a maintenance craftsman on the FCC unit which is behind me. I've been at Coryton 5 years. I spent 4 years doing my apprenticeship and I've been taken on as a craftsman in September 2005.
I wouldn't say that what I did at school set me up for this because we didn't have that sort of facilities in the school, but I knew that from sort of what I liked, that was what I wanted to do. You know, that was engineering was something I enjoyed.
I like problem solving. I like to make, if I see a process that I think is too long and can be shorter, I'll always try and make it shorter or try and convince other people that it can be shorter. It might just be the lazy person in me, but that's what I like to do. I like to make things quicker for myself.
That's like getting into pulling things apart, seeing how they work and repairing them. I love that. That does it for me. Definitely making it work again, seeing how it works in the grand scheme, especially with a place like the refinery. Everything's interlinked, like control system, control loops would all affect other things. So going in and repairing something and seeing it affect the whole grand scheme is fantastic. It's great.
Mechanical engineering is something I've always been interested in. Even as a kid I was sort of really proactive with my hands. In the first year of your apprenticeship scheme you cover every topic in sort of engineering, so you go from electrical to instrument to mechanical, and then once you've decided what you like, and then you can choose whether you like to be an electrician, an instrument technician or a mechanic, and I chose the mechanical side of things.
I'm full-time at college for the first year, so I mean it's all metalwork, so I mean I haven't done that for 7 years since I was at school. So now I come home and I'm just so tired, but it's a good thing. It's a good thing.
I'm learning all these basic skills, but I'm learning a lot of really industrial skills as well that really are important in the current environment at the moment, where we've got not enough skilled engineers and things like that.
On my first day, it was very good. A bit nervous though, coming into a very big company like this. Everyone was very welcome though, made you feel great. Learned a lot in the first day, to be honest. It was pretty good.
Well, when you first come out of school, you're quite quiet and things like that. A little bit of confidence is good to get talking to the people down here, because obviously you're working in a community. It's a really big place, a refinery. So you've got to be able to talk to other people. You've definitely got to have the drive to get things done.
The blokes in the workshop are really friendly. You know, all the other apprentices are great as well. We get to get good friends with everyone around here.
I finished with 2 BTECs, 1 ONC, and then I progressed onto a HNC, and also finished with 2 MVQs, 1 level 2 and then onto a level 3.
But sometimes there is the opportunity to do further education, like degrees and things like that. So if I could get on a degree, and then I'd have the base skills and a degree to come at a graduate level, and basically work my way up through the engineering team.
Once I've become qualified, I can actually work in a lot of different places. It's not all just oil production, it's most any production really, as far as I understand.
I didn't want to go to university when I left school because I didn't feel that there would be enough of the jobs out there. There seems to be what everyone's doing now, going to university and coming out and not being able to find a job. The brilliant thing about an apprenticeship is you come out and you learn on-the-job skills. It sets you up. It's fantastic.
I'd just say, if you don't like traditional girls, as they say, girls' jobs, go for what you want really.
I think it was the right choice for me. It's great atmosphere down here. Always the best thing I think about it is you're learning something every day. It's just great.
If there's anyone out there who's interested in either mechanical, electrical or instrument engineering, don't hesitate to put your CV in. If you're lucky enough to be selected as an apprentice, you won't regret doing it.